Your SSD drive might be running slower than it was when you first got it, and most people have no idea that's even possible, let alone fixable. Here's how to speed up your SSD on Windows the right way. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Terminal, Admin. Click Yes on the permission prompt. Running as administrator is essential here. These commands require elevated privileges to execute properly. In the command prompt window, type the following command: WinSAT disk drive C. Replace C with the drive letter of the SSD you want to test. If you're testing your main Windows drive, it will almost certainly be C. Press Enter and let the test run. It takes about 30 seconds. When it finishes, look for two key numbers in the output. Disk sequential 64.0 read, this is your sequential read speed in megabytes per second. Disk sequential 64.0 write, this is your sequential write speed. Write both numbers down. These are your baseline figures. After optimization, we'll run this test again and compare directly to see whether the process made a measurable difference. Now let's run the primary optimization. This is the most important maintenance operation for an SSD, and it's what Windows' built-in Optimize Drives tool runs automatically on a schedule. In the same command prompt window, type dfrag/o C:. Again, replace C with your drive letter if different. The /O flag stands for Optimize. It tells the defrag tool to apply the appropriate optimization for the detected media type. For SSDs, that means running trim. For hard drives, it runs traditional defragmentation. Windows detects the drive type automatically and applies the correct operation, so you don't need to worry about accidentally running a standard defrag on your SSD. Now run the WinSAT benchmark again. WinSAT disk drive C. Compare the new numbers to your baseline. In many cases, particularly on SSDs that haven't been optimized recently, you'll see an improvement in write speeds. Read speeds tend to be more stable, but can also see modest gains. The improvement you see will depend on several factors: how long it's been since trim last ran properly on your drive, how full the drive is, the age and model of the SSD, and whether the slowdown was primarily read or write related. On an older SATA SSD that hasn't been properly maintained, write speed improvements of 20 to 30% after a full trim pass plus free space consolidation are realistic. On a newer NVMe drive in good condition, the improvement may be minimal, which is actually good news because it means the drive was already performing close to its rated speeds. If you have multiple drives in your system, repeat the entire process for each one individually. It takes about 10 minutes, it's completely free, and it uses only tools already built into Windows. Drop your before and after speeds in the comments. I genuinely like to see the range of results people are getting on different drives and systems. A like helps the channel, and subscribing means you'll catch more practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.